The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Taylor County and southwestern Jones County in north-central Texas until 6:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:02 p.m. Central Standard Time, the tornado was located 10 miles west of Abilene, moving southwest at 70 miles per hour. If you are not already in a basement or on the lowest and most interior floor of a sturdy building, you must go there now. Tornadoes are capable of causing casualties mostly through debris. Repeating, a tornado warning is now in effect for northeastern Taylor and southwestern Jones counties until 6:35 p.m. Central Standard Time.